Discover the amazing potential of investing in cryptocurrencies. Join us as we explore the security, decentralization, and transparency benefits, and the risks associated with investing in this emerging financial asset. Are you interested in investing in the future of digital currencies? Do you want to take advantage of the security, decentralization, and transparency benefits of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple? Are you concerned about the risks associated with these investments? Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrency and uncover the pros and cons of investing in this emerging financial asset. We'll explore the potential applications and regulations that may come into play in the future, as well as what measures we should take to ensure our investments are safe and sound. Get ready for a fascinating journey as we explore the possibilities of what a future with cryptocurrencies hold. Subscribe to Crypto Paradize and join us on this exciting journey to explore the potential of cryptocurrencies. Get the latest insights on the pros and cons of investing in this emerging financial asset, and the potential applications and regulations that may come into play in the future, and what measures that we should take to ensure our investments are safe and sound. Don't miss out on this fascinating journey. Subscribe now. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset used to store and create value. It has core features like security, decentralization, and transparency, which are all made possible by blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency transactions are secured by cryptography-based encryption systems, which give them a unique identity in both online exchanges and physical stores around the world. Many people view cryptocurrency as an alternative way to store wealth without relying on traditional banking structures, which can be prone to instability due to inflationary policies. The history of cryptocurrencies go back almost 3 decades. In 1998, computer scientist Wei Dai proposed the idea of information theory to design cypherpoints in his paper B-Money. Since then, there have been many advancements, like new processes involving smart contracts and trailblazing companies seeking regulatory license approval. Cryptocurrencies could play a role in protecting economic autonomy versus state control. Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrency got its start? Well, it all began in 1998. When computer scientist Wei Dai proposed using information theory to design cypherpoints in his paper B-Money. Since then, blockchain technology has come a long way, and has made it possible for us to use things like smart contracts. Cryptocurrencies have also been working hard to get approval from the government in order to use their crypto systems. Cryptocurrencies offer some great advantages over traditional banking. It gives users more control over their wealth without having to worry about inflation or government policy affecting its value. As more businesses start to use cryptocurrency, it could become a mainstream option all over the world. One question that does come up a lot though is what advantages do cryptocurrencies offer compared with our traditional monetary systems? Well, cryptocurrency is becoming more and more popular as an alternative to traditional banking and financial markets. It's got features like security, decentralization, and transparency, which make it attractive to businesses who want more control over their money, without relying on government policies or having to worry about inflation. Cryptocurrencies are also being used as digital assets, which can be exchanged between two people without the need for any third-party intermediary. This makes transactions faster than ever before. There's no doubt that cryptocurrencies have a lot of potential to change the way that global business works, but we need to think about all the risks that come with this technology before we fully embrace it in our everyday lives. What do you think government should do to make sure cryptocurrencies are used safely? What kind of regulations do you think should be put in place to ensure safety and trust when using cryptocurrencies? Leave a comment down below with your answer. Cryptocurrencies have changed the way that people invest, giving them access to a global market and digital assets that traditional banking structures are unable to do. It's a new way to quickly and securely exchange goods online, but it's also important to keep an eye on the news and the changes that are happening in the crypto world, both good and bad. That way, you can make the best decisions for your investments. This brings up an interesting question. What kind of regulations do you think should be put in place when it comes to using cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies become a popular way to invest, store wealth, and transfer money, but it's important for investors to understand the laws and regulations that govern its uses in different countries or jurisdictions before they invest in this digital asset class. Governments are increasingly getting involved in regulating cryptocurrency usage in order to protect consumers from fraud. It's interesting to see governments stepping up their efforts to regulate cryptocurrencies with certain laws. Now we need to look at the impact that these policies are going to have on the sector. Will they lead to positive or negative users' experiences? What do you think should be done to keep your assets safe when using cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency has become really popular in recent years, and it promises to change the way that we use money. It can be used for wealth management, global payments, contracts, and more. But what are the good and bad things about using cryptocurrencies? Well, one of the benefits is that it's decentralized. You don't need banks or middlemen when you're using cryptocurrency, and that makes it safe from external interference. It also brings transparency into global markets because it uses distributed ledger technology, also known as DLT. And since these currencies aren't tied to a particular nation's economic policies, they can stay stable even when other countries have inflation. On the other hand, using cryptocurrency can be risky. If you don't take the right precautions when you do transactions, it can put your data at risk. This means governments need to step up and regulate these activities so that people can trust each other when they're transacting digitally. What kind of regulations do you think should be put in place? Leave the comment below with your answer. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since it was first introduced in 1998. It's not just an exchange of digital assets, people can now use this technology to do smart contracts, and businesses are actively seeking regulatory license approval in order to use their crypto systems. This suggests that cryptocurrency has the potential to play a major role in global business in the future. We've already seen some exciting developments with cryptocurrency, including more efficient payment systems that traditional banking structures provide. There could also be applications for energy production, or for renewable energy sources and blockchain-powered autonomous cars. But what would these changes even look like? What kind of regulation should we expect in order for cryptocurrencies to be used safely across multiple industries? Predictions about where cryptocurrency is headed could have huge implications, not only on our personal lives, but also in larger economies around the world. So what do you think the future of cryptocurrency looks like? Cryptocurrency is becoming more and more popular with investors, businesses, and governments. It's a way to store wealth without relying on traditional banking structures. Even if there are still some risks associated with cryptocurrencies, like security issues, the potential of cryptocurrency is not able to be ignored. Data shows that cryptocurrency will keep growing in 2021. Lots of new users have joined digital asset networks this year because of the advantages they offer, like ease of use fees, low fees, and fast transactions. The future of crypto is looking bright. Companies are investing a lot in blockchain technology, and that could mean more value for investments. Smart contracts are becoming available too thanks to advances in data processing speeds. All this makes us wonder what other roles cryptocurrency could play in our lives. We can also expect new regulations from government authorities worldwide, which will help protect us from unlawful activities like fraud or money laundering. So when it comes to using cryptocurrencies, what kinds of pros and cons should we consider? Cryptocurrencies have become really popular recently and are being used by businesses, investors, governments, and individuals. On one side, cryptocurrencies offer secure transactions using decentralized networks and give users more control over their money, without having to worry about government policy or inflation. On the other hand, there are some drawbacks. For example, cryptocurrencies aren't insured like traditional banking structures are, so there are security concerns. Also, the high demand can lead to price fluctuations, and there aren't the same consumer protections as with other forms of payment like credit cards or bank accounts. Plus, blockchain technology processes can take a lot of time. We should think carefully about all the pros and cons before investing in this new digital asset class. What kind of regulations do you think should be put in place so people can trust cryptocurrency investments? Cryptocurrency has become an increasingly popular way to invest, store wealth, and transfer money. It has core features like security, decentralization, and transparency, made possible by blockchain technology, making transactions faster and more secure than traditional banking structures. Companies are investing in blockchain technology and seeking regulatory license approval to use their crypto systems, which suggests that cryptocurrencies have the potential to play a major role in global business in the future. But there are risks associated with using cryptocurrencies, so governments are stepping up to regulate these activities and protect consumers from fraud. We need to consider all the pros and cons before we invest in this digital asset class, and we need to think about what kind of regulation should be put in place so people can trust cryptocurrency investments. Do you want to get ahead of the curve and learn everything that you need to know about Bitcoin? Watch this video to learn more about Bitcoin and its potential implications for the future of finance. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch now so you can stay informed. Subscribe to Crypto Paradize to join our growing community and to stay in the loop with our latest videos.